I just got off of a 5-day Unlock Your Songwriting Genius challenge, and it was incredible. John Stringer, who hosted this challenge, by the way, go and look him up. He is world renowned. He does it all. He's magic. Hey, he is so inspiring and inspired by his own passion. But this gave me such a perspective as to how to be creative when you're not, because I've always felt like, oh, I need that spark of creativity for me to really produce anything great. And that's not true. You just open up your heart and let the downloads come in, and he trains you on how to do that. And it was so eye-opening to me. I have a million takeaways, but he sparked something inside of me that gave me that drive to continue on fulfilling this love that I have of music.
Hey guys, Angel here. Man, this challenge has been amazing, and I am hanging on by my tailcoats. My takeaway in this is really learning the structure and the breakdown and how to bring that melody and harmony and all of the cadences that come with trying to form the whole orchestration of forming a song, and bringing that to the next level, being able to structure it all out and see it in the pieces and parts that it brings to me, has really opened my eyes as to how a song goes from being something that's just a written piece of paper that just kind of comes to you into form, and taking it to the next level, turning that into a combination and seeing this unfold has been a true journey. I can't wait until you do another one. We get to do this again. I'm ready. I'm here. And I feel like I just started and now we're at the end. I'm ready for the next one. Let's do it.
Sign up now and secure your spot and be among the first to unlock your songwriting potential. Click the link below. Spaces are limited. Let's transform your songwriting journey together. See you there.